100%. So he's in a landing configuration. So this could be a typical landing speed for the C-130. But it's a great opportunity to get some really good photos as he flies past low and slow.
Fighters and crews on the ground, that there's an imminent water drop coming.
Now they're coming through at about 60 knots right now.
Yeah, about 60 knots to drop that.
Can lift about 25,000 pounds, I believe.
Yeah, absolutely. We had it chock-a-block full. So there, John and Mark are doing a bit of a dip to the crowd, so let's give them a round of applause. That's a bit of an acknowledgement from an aircraft. The plane will dip the wings either side, the helicopters dip the nose.
In Victoria, and did an aviation technology degree out of the Australian Defence Force Academy, where he went on to pilot training. Lockie then flew the AP3 Orion, which is now retired.
And an interesting fact, when
Perfect.
ladies and gentlemen, on your right. There is your C-17A Globemaster